Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. What's the deal with Mrs. Koo's flood in Doctor Who season 15? 1 minute she's a mysterious figure, and the next she's revealed to be the Ronnie, a villainous time lady. Uh, um, but that's not all. Like, she's also been breaking the fourth wall, speaking directly to the audience, and the Ronnie's return in the 7th episode, Wish World, Anita Dobson's character, Mrs. Flood, is finally revealed to be the Ronnie. This episode also marks the first appearance of Archie Punjabi as another incarnation of the Ronnie. However, some viewers may find Dobson's portrayal of the Ronnie to be strikingly different from previous performances. Breaking the fourth wall, Mrs. Flood's ability to speak to the audience was a unique aspect of her character. She did it not once, but twice, leaving audiences intrigued. However, this behavior ceased in Wish World, leaving us wondering why she was able to do it in the first place. Unanswered questions. There are still many unanswered questions about Mrs. Flood's character. For example, why is she more interested in the Doctor's companions than the Doctor himself? And what's the deal with her outfits, which resemble those of other Doctor Who companions? The Reality War, the season finale, The Reality War, may hold the answers to these questions. With Omega's return, the episode will be packed with action, but it's possible that it will also address the lingering questions about Mrs. Sell. Flood's character had been, character, a lighthearted joke. Why did the Ronnie go to the party? Because she heard it was a timeless event. But seriously, the Ronnie's return is a significant development in the Doctor Who universe, and we can't wait to see what's in store. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.